Okay, so a landscape wants to estimate the cost of fertilizing a triangular lawn with side length 150 meter, 200 meter, and 300 meter. So this is very important. This is like if you want to talk about daily application, right? This would be one of them, right? If you own a landscaping company and you want to price something to your customer, you need to know because you don't want to lose money. You want to make profit, right? So here it is. So one bag of fertilizer costs $19.98 and covers an area of 900 meters squared. She uses Heron's formula to determine the area of the lawn. So the area A of a triangle with side length A, B, and C is given by this formula. So this is the formula for the area. A represents the area, where you have to use S, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Okay, so you need that value of S. Okay, so they gave you another formula with S is equal to A plus B plus C divided by 2. Okay, so there's two formulas that you have to use. Which formula are you going to have to use first? The S formula. So this is your first one, so you can find your S, and then you can use the area formula. So the question is to estimate the cost of the fertilizer. Okay, so first thing I have to find S. Right, I know that A is, can you guys give me the side length? 150 meter. Yes. B is 200 meters. C is 300 meters. And then I know that S is, I'm looking for S, right? So I wrote down my given and I wrote down my required. Now I'm going to write down my formula. And then I'm going to substitute. So your answer for S should be 325 meter. Okay? When it comes to question where you're solving this kind of problem, you don't have to write me a therefore statement for everything you find. The therefore statement should be to answer the question, which is how much does it cost? Okay? Are we okay with this so far? All right. I found S, so now I'm looking to find the area. I'm going to have to use the second formula, which is area equals to the square root of S times, is it S minus A, S minus B, S minus C? Okay, we're going to now substitute. We're going to plug in the information. Can you guys find me the answer for this whole thing? Ooh, that's too many people at the same time. 325 times 175 times 125 times 25. And then square root of that. That's a huge number there. 1,300, sorry. 13,331.
Yeah, 0.71.
And that is area, so that is going to be meters squared. All right, so now I know the area of my triangle, okay, the area that I need to cover. How can I find how many bags do I need? Go ahead, Eric. because each bag covers 900 meters squared, right? So each bag, I know each bag covers 900 meters squared, and I know I have a total area of this much. So I just divide my total area by the area covered by each bag. So there's coming up with this formula. So the number of bags is the total area divided by the area per bag, right? So my total area is 13,331.71 meters squared, all over 900 meters squared. 14.81?
Yes.
So you're going to go to Home Depot and tell them I would like 14.81 bags.
15 bags.
Okay, good. So here are scenarios where you have to, no matter what, right? Even if you got 14.1 bag, right? You're going to have to buy 15, right? You can't go and say, well, rounding down because it's 0.1, so I don't need to get 15. No, you do, right? Because in order for you to be able to cover, you need that 0.1. But you can't buy 0.1, you have to buy a whole. You have to buy a whole bag, right? So that means I need 15 bags. Now to find your cost, what do? Okay? So you have 15 bags times how much does each bag cost? So we're going to pretend that 19.9 what? What was it?
Oh, yeah,
98. That we're going to pretend that this include tax. Okay? 19.98 times 15. 299.7. So that means now you're going to write your therefore statement. Therefore, it will cost $299.70 to fertilize the lawn.